I'm gonna talk about some makeup stuff while I do my makeup. I have a couple new things to use, but I also have some stuff on my mind, and I thought I would just have a little chat, a little you know? Anyway, oh yeah, look at that. That color is so stunning. I want to talk about makeup launches and kind of just like a couple things with beauty that have been going on, because I feel like a lot of people are frustrated, and myself included, with some of the stuff it's kind of unfolding. It is literally stunning, but I want it to be more out. I feel like lately when it has come to beauty launches and just in general, I have really been looking forward to collections that feel really intentional. And when I say this, I mean like there's a collection with a little bit of a lower drop behind it, a little bit of inspiration, which I feel like I've always gravitated towards because I love a little bit of storytelling. I love inspiration. I love when I can look at something and be like, oh my God, this came from this idea. That's so cool. I think that's really neat. But there is something that's also happening at the same time that I really, oh my God, was I not focused the whole time? Anyway, there's another thing that's happening with launches that I feel like has just given us kind of an icky feeling. It's when companies do a launch just based around hype, like just based around going viral with this product. Now let me kind of explain. I feel like with these launches, there is a lack of care. Like there simply just feels like a lack of care with the actual product itself. There feels like a disconnect, I guess. Like it's very much, look at this cool product that's gonna get you to go viral. Or like they send it out in PR and people already call it viral before anyone else has the chance to use it, which that's maybe a whole other conversation. I think that's kind of weird. But like to me, I feel like it gets more, I don't know what the word is for it, but it feels so wasteful in a sense, but it also just, it's lacking substance. It's lacking oomph. It's lacking a purpose other than just having its like week where everyone's obsessed with it and then no one talks about it anymore because it might not actually be that good. And listen, I understand that like wanting to have a successful launch, like wanting to have a launch that does well, that absolutely makes sense. Of course, I think anyone who has like makeup that they're sending out, a launch, a campaign or whatever, they want it to be successful. Of course. And I want that for them too. Brands that I really love, I want them to have so much success. I want them to be sold out of stuff, having to restock. The gimmicks for restocking stuff though, I wish that would be like illegal. Like I wish it was illegal for brands to lie when they have like stocked up product and like, oh my God, we sold out, and they really haven't. I know I've talked about this a lot, especially on like streams and stuff, and I will probably talk about it again, but I really can't stand that. Now, I understand when there's like a core product that they're like, we just simply wanted to make this really great thing. Bada bing, bada boom, done. But I'm talking about the launch after launch that just feels very disconnected. It feels very much like just chasing the hopes of being viral. I know this is not just me, and sometimes I'm like, am I romanticizing this a bit much? Like, am I head in the clouds thinking, oh, everything I want to have meaning and detail and makeup, and like, I want to hear a story behind why you thought about this color, or, you know, what inspired you. Like, I love that stuff so much. Like, it feels so art to me. That's what connects it to art, in my opinion. Now, there are lots of things that inspiration is everywhere. It doesn't have to be some like grand thing, but I just like knowing that. I like knowing that someone has worked on something for so long because they've like really, really wanted it to, you know, be in existence. They wanted to bring it into the world. I quickly just did some base things because I feel like this video is going to be long, but I really want to try this. This is from Made by Mitchell, the Gel Glaze Creamy Eyeshadow. Dude, this packaging is so cute. Oh my God, wait, I love that font also. Just as a side note, look at that. Oh, I love that. Anyway, back to what I was saying too. Like, even if someone's like, okay, again, with the cute packaging. Oh, I love that font. I love that font. Okay, anyway, even if someone is like, I just wanted to make this because it's hot and like this color makes me feel, you know what I mean? Then I'm like, oh, yes. Those, I love that. I love when someone's like, I just wanted to make this cute little thing because it's adorable and XYZ. Instead of brands that are like, oh, we made this product with a funny name so that like the hashtag will be funny. Now listen, if you make a funny hashtag with a cool product that you've made, I love that. Cute. I'm down for it. But like, sometimes it just feels like when the product revolves around a meme and the product is not good. I don't know. I sound like a broken record probably. This looks tasty. I want to eat this. Hello? Ooh. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm just gonna like feel, oh, That is very creamy. I am obsessed with this already, but I'm just gonna like pat it. I don't know, do I need to set this? It feels very emollient. Just gonna pat it very lightly in like the center maybe. Ooh, yeah, that's pretty. Yeah. Ooh, I like that a lot. It's not like super bam sparkles, but I kind of like it. Let's try it with a brush. Oh, yep. Gorgeous. Honestly, I bought this a while ago and I'm so glad that I'm finally using it. I'm gonna put a little bit more with the brush. I kind of like the application more with the brush, I think. I think that looks quite nice. Ooh, stunning. Pretty. Do I want sparkles also there? Maybe just like a little boop, 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 boop moment. Lightly taking this and doing that. Ooh, it's so light and dainty. So natural. Yeah. Does that lock close? And I'm just realizing? I think so. Cool. With some brands, I know this is gonna sound kind of mean. Sometimes I'm like, if you're out of ideas, just say that. If you're out of ideas, just say that. That is a bit mean. But it's just like, it feels so obvious sometimes. And it feels so forced. It doesn't feel fun. It feels like, okay, oops. Whoops. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see. Dang it. Oh, Lord. Much better. Oh, wait, I also have this. This is Drip Drip, again, from Made by Mitchell. And I haven't tried this yet, but I feel like this would be a crazy inner corner and also maybe a nose highlight. I don't know. But I've been waiting to try this too. That literally looks insane. Ignore the cat scratches on the back of my hand. Oh, okay. I was not expecting that it would have that like translucent of a base and be that sparkly. Immediately need to use it immediately. I don't usually do an inner corner, but I'm just gonna like kind of pop it like right here. Shut up. Yeah. Yep. Where have I been? Where have I been, dude? That okay. I know this is technically, isn't this technically a liquid blusher? That, you know what? I might get into inner corners because of this. Inner corner highlight, it's on. I'm gonna put just like the tiniest bit maybe on the tip of my nose. What if I did that? What then? Oh my god, it's so cute. Well, that was a great decision. Keeping this on the vanity, on my desk. It feels so cute. I want to go ahead and say that I don't think makeup is boring right now. I think certain launches are, but the artists, makeup artists, incredibly inspiring. If you feel like, oh my gosh, everything is so boring right now, I will encourage you to, and I mean this with like full sincerity, I'm not trying to like be shady or anything, look at who you're following. Maybe change up who you're following, maybe find new inspiration with different artists, with different styles, with different kinds of makeup like backgrounds, because there are so many really talented makeup artists and just artists in general, and you can find inspiration about makeup in other places, in other mediums. So like if you're feeling like, oh my god, makeup is so boring, maybe check out and see like what your FYP is, you know what I mean? Like maybe see what's going on there. I don't know, I think sometimes when people are like, oh, uninspired, that's a you problem, but they're like genuinely things that can like help you get out of a rut and see like different things to kind of like help your creative brain. And I think everybody is creative. I literally do. I think sometimes when people are like, well, I'm not creative, and it's like, you are, but maybe in a different way. And it doesn't have to look like everybody else's version of creative. Let me know if you want to chat about this. Please do leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me for more makeup content, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye!